shadows paint the ground. Midnight whispers make no sound. Hollow heartbeats echo wide. In this city we can't hide. Streetlights dance in perfect line. Silent secrets intertwine. Concrete dreams and broken souls, lost in tales the night unfolds. Under stars we wander far, chasing wishes on a scar. City breathes a restless sigh underneath the velvet sky. Windows frame of flickers glow. Every story left untold. Lonely shadows drift away. Promises we dared not say. Whispers tangled in the night. Hopes and fears held tight, so tight in the maze of streets and dreams. Nothing's ever as it seems.